When it comes to the crypto reserves, Bitcoin is the OG. It was created in 2009 by a pseudonymous person named Satoshi Nakamoto in an infamous white paper. Now, what Bitcoin first proposed is a solving of the double spend problem. It was a way to transfer or make a peer-to-peer transaction with no middleman. And what's important about the Bitcoin white paper, and things that I touched upon in previous lessons, is that it incentivizes consensus. Consensus among untrustworthy actions, or miners, a network of them. And because we've incentivized consensus, we can come to a truth. And this is what the proof of work consensus mechanism details. Now, importantly, there's some limitations to Bitcoin. And the most common one is that the block size problem. Now, Bitcoin blocks can only reach 1 megabyte in size, and that limits the transactions per second to about 4 to 7 transactions per second. If you compare that to Visa or Amex or other existing payment networks which transact 2,000 transactions per second, you can see that Bitcoin has had some problems scaling as a transaction mechanism. However, there are some protocols in the works, specifically the Lightning Network, which will allow for off-channel payments of Bitcoin and create the ability to have more transactions per second than both the Visa and the Amex network. So that's a very exciting development for Bitcoin, and I'm expecting it around summer 2018.